Hello everyone, and welcome to the Introduction to Zotero workshop. My name is Sean Michael, and I made this presentation for East Los Angeles College Library. So, you may be wondering, why should I use Zotero? Well, the first reason is to increase the accuracy and speed of your citations. The second reason is to access all of your cited works in one place. And the third reason is to work with increased clarity and focus, as you will no longer need to scramble to find your sources. You may also be thinking, who should use Zotero? Well, students in a research-based program or major, scholars who see themselves eventually doing graduate work, and anyone who has trouble keeping citations in order. All of these groups will benefit from Zotero use. Our outcomes from this workshop. Number 1, the ability to collect. With Zotero, you will be able to collect your resources while you work and assemble robust bodies of research before you even begin writing. Our second outcome is the ability to create. With Zotero, you'll be able to create bibliographies like the one pictured to our left in just a few clicks. Now, for a brief introduction to citation. For those unfamiliar, citation is defined as the act of citing or quoting a reference to an authority or precedent. And there are many styles of citation. MLA, APA, and Chicago are some of the most common. Before installing Zotero, I would please ask of you to determine what type of device you are using. Zotero works on Windows, Macs, and Linux operating systems. Now that you've determined what type of device you are using, next, I need you to create a Zotero account. So first, go to the Zotero website and register. After you've registered, you will next need to download and install Zotero. So go to the Zotero website and navigate to the download page. Click the download button and follow the on-screen prompts. To get the most out of Zotero, you will next want to install the Zotero connector for Firefox. So go to the Zotero website and download the connector for Firefox. If you do not already have Firefox, this is the perfect opportunity to switch. Please navigate to mozilla.org and download the Firefox browser. Three reasons to download Firefox. The first is that Firefox provides the greatest security of any conventional web browser. Firefox can also save and store all of your passwords securely, and Firefox is run by a non-profit. Now, for the next section of our workshop, we will be citing with Zotero. So first, we're going to navigate online to jstor.org. And I have an article here that I would like to cite. So moving my mouse to the top right corner of the screen, I will find an icon shaped like a piece of paper. This icon is the Zotero icon, and clicking on it, the Zotero program begins to save the W.E.B. Du Bois article. Next, you'll want to navigate to your Zotero program. The article that we were just looking at now has a citation in Zotero. It's within the ELAC research folder. If you would like to create a new folder, go to My Library, right-click, and select New Collection. You can name this whatever you would like. I'm going to name mine Workshop. You will now see your created collection in the many collections on the left. And you can drag citations right to the folder that you would like to add. Next, we would like to export our citation. So we're going to right-click the citation, move down to Create Bibliography from Item, click that, and we will be presented with a list of different citation styles. There are many styles to choose from, but we are going to choose the Modern Language Association's 8th edition, MLA. For the output mode, you're going to want to select bibliography, and for the output method, you're going to want to copy to clipboard. Press OK. Now, traveling to our word processor, we can then paste our citation by right-clicking and pasting, or using the keyboard shortcut. Make sure to select Keep Source Formatting in order to maintain the bibliography formatting that we require. And that's it. You have just learned how to cite and export with Zotero.